How's Carlo gonna kill it? He was gonna shoot it, eh?
Yeah, Schiffer was saying he was waiting for you to come so he can let you shoot.
Oh, that's alright.
We got slug gun.
Oh, it fits. It fits his house.
This is how you make those brooms.
Oh, yeah.
And also use these banana leaves for baskets. Hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna go take the dogs for a walk today. New week. They get to run around. But yeah, let's go. Yep, me and John just going for our walk. We got Mooch, and I'm pretty sure it's cornflake or bluey. The other three are Awa, Mune, and Babe. Eh? The black one's Babe. Yeah, the naughty ones are Mune and Babe, and the old one's Awa. And the two brown dogs are cornflake and bluey. Okay. And Mooch is the black. Here we are. Do you know where we are, John?
In La Kepa.
It's a Lakepa, all the way from home.
And this track here, it goes down to a settlement. It's a family living house down at the end. It's a beautiful house, just like that house over there.
Oh yeah.
Belongs to the Celine.
Old dog Awa and John's the back. The result to make a broom, what you see over there in the corner, and the baskets they made. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we're at the airport picking up a guest. Look at this place. Oh yeah. Niue. Yeah. Did you see the walkway down here?
Hey, let's go this way. Here is the walkway.
Look at that one.
Picture. I've never been on this picture. Oh, this is the internet thing up there.
Yeah, you can just go down there.
I mean, it's just, I don't see it.
Where's the internet? You know the window. Take it.
What are you making?
I'm making a broomstick.
Everyone's making a broomstick. What's it called?
A canoe. It's so here.
Broomstick.
Yeah, like that. Like
What do you make the broomstick out of? It's a different wood. Is that a different wood?
canoe.
The bottom.
Fufu.
Seeing the skill.
Yeah, it's not a Samoan word. Hey, you are Samoan. You said, hey, you swear me gun.
Quét cho hi cho canoe trên. Cho hi cho canoe, cho cho canoe.
Oh.
Yo, you better go to shop.
You're making a small one.
Oh yeah, broke it. That was broken.
5 crowns. Who's gonna win?